Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to we're going to unbox a HP laptop i5, and this is G have it here, the model. This is 256 G8 i5. So what we are going to do, this doesn't come with genuine Windows. Okay, so we have everything inside here. We shall first start with the power cords. It comes with two of them. This is our cable, the charger, and we have two connectors that connect to the charger, as you can see. Then we have our laptop. It comes with let me pull it out. So we're going to hold for me. Going to pull. So this is what we get. So in the box it comes with user manual and how to operate the laptop. So we go ahead and read through that. And we also get, that's all we get. The box is empty. And this is a Core i5. And it doesn't come with Windows installed. And we're going to install Windows after. And so what you do, you put this in the box just in case you need them. So the user manual. So this is what we have here. This is our laptop. And this is how it looks like. HP. And it's a bit heavy. It has an inbuilt battery. And because these days they do everything. It had this cover, so when we power it on we don't get anything. This is how it looks like. It looks very nice and neat. This is a Core i5. So right now it doesn't have any Windows. I'm going to first charge it, and this was just a quick video on how to our unboxing. So we don't expect to have any operating system there. And this is the first time we boot the computer, and it's loading. Let's wait and see, because so this will need a copy of Windows. You can put any installation of any other operating system. So I'm going to stop from here. This was just a quick video in the unboxing. We also have Type-C USB cable, and also have two ports here. Actually it comes with Windows. Because they told me it doesn't come with Windows, which is genuine. So we're going to start from here, and this was just a HP. This is a 11th generation laptop. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.